Today we're here with Trevor Boyd at his Salon de Culinaire in Fourways to do some tests on water and water structure. Now, water is one of those things that we all need. The body is made of almost 90% water, and with today's modern structure, things like radio frequency, cell phones and stuff like the interference in the water is phenomenal. It breaks down the water structure, and obviously being 90% water in the body, we find that things like your whole functioning, your strength, your conditioning, your taste capabilities, all of these things start to degrade when the water degrades. Now we're here with Trevor to do a little test on water, knowing that he's a bit of a specialist. He's South Africa's next cake boss, and he has the palate to be able to tell the difference between different waters. So Trevor, could you come through, bring us 2 glasses, and we're going to do a very simple test with you. Could you fill those glasses with water, just validate that water, tap water straight out of the tap, no problems with it. If you can, a little bit of water into each one, that's enough, and into the next one. Okay, with this water, standard out of the tap, no problems at all with it. It's the type of stuff you can drink. South Africa's water, relatively high standard, but still not very good water that's out there. Being interfered with in a huge amount by our natural environment that we live in nowadays. Radio frequency, cell phones and such like. Working with the ProBangle, this has been balanced to work with a particular frequency, and this frequency will alter the structure of the water back to a more natural form that's going to be better for the absorption of the water into the body. So less water needed to be able to get the same amount of hydration out. So we're going to leave this on here for 5 minutes. The other glass, standard water, we're going to leave it a couple of meters away, at least 3 meters away, so it doesn't get interfered by this bangle here, and we're going to see what the taste difference is for Trevor. So Trevor, if you can come through, I'd like to chat to you a little bit about your business and a bit about what you've been doing. You've got quite a bit of a history in the culinary world. Tell us a little bit.
Yeah, I've worked at a couple of hotels in South Africa. Been fortunate enough to work at the Mount Nelson, the Sheraton, Mount Grace. We opened up the Franschhoek Hotel in Spa. Also been very fortunate to compete for South Africa in international competitions. I've managed to go to 2 culinary Olympics in 2004, 2008, which being 2008 our best performance of winning a gold medal in our hot kitchen. So yeah, we've been very fortunate.
Wow. So we're 5 minutes up, and we're going to see whether Trevor can pick up a bit of a difference here in what the water structure is actually like. Trevor, will you join me over here? I want to grab my mic quickly, grab the water, bring it across. Now, both of these waters came out of the same jug. You prepped those waters?
That's right, tap water.
Okay, and what we did with them, we left them a couple of meters apart. This one we put the ProBangle on, that one we left absolutely normal at the end of the table. Is that correct?
Hundreds.
Okay. What we'd like you to do now is give it a quick check, but first I'm going to mix them up so you don't know what they are. Okay, you've seen at the moment that this is the water we left with the ProBangle, this is the water we left without. So if you turn around, I'm going to mix them up, you're not going to know which one works. Quick swap. Okay, Trevor, if you can start with the one on the right hand side, I want you to take a quick little swig of it. Give us a bit of an indication of what it tastes like once you've had a taste of it. Not sure? Tastes like water?
Tastes like water to me for now, yeah.
Okay, nothing spectacular?
No, nothing spectacular exactly on that one.
Try that one there.
I'd hate to be a fool and say that there is a difference, because this one tastes a little bit sweeter to me.
Really?
It's got a bit of a different flavor to it, yeah.
So there is a difference in the flavors between the two, yeah, and the water came out of the same source.
No, it's exactly the same source.
So we've got a difference here.
Yeah, there is a difference. I don't know.
So which one would you say would be better?
I can't say which would be better, really, but I can say that there's a distinct difference in flavor between the two. Whether you can say anything's better for you or better or whatever this there is a difference. I can't say, sure.
That's cool. That's quite amazing. Well,
Yeah,
I'll tell you
so
what, you've noted the glass that had the bangle, which was this one here.
Okay.
Okay, the sweeter taste you noted straight off.
Yeah.
So there is a difference and a change in what the water has happened to the water. And would you acknowledge that that bangle has made a change to that water?
Well, if you're telling me that's what the bangle, I'm a little bit gobsmacked, because if you're telling me the bangle is on there, yeah, there is a difference for sure.
We got it on tape for you, so we'd be able to prove that for you later on.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, cool.
And this type
that's
of
remarkable.
This type of test can be done with other things as well. Anything with a little bit of acidity profile, so apple juice, orange juice, red wine. Obviously, with the guys doing their dinner functions, such like a little bit of red wine.
We should be using orange juice, man, because it would be lekker sweet then.
makes a big difference to it. So, bottom line, I can say thank you very much, Trevor. The affirmation from you has been brilliant, and yeah, good luck with the business.
Yeah, thanks very much, man. Thanks,
else.
and thanks for letting us try and test it out. I'm amazed. It is quite remarkable, actually. Cool.
Well, there we have it. Trevor Boyd definitely noticing the difference in the water there, and giving us that affirmation that there is a change in that water, bringing out a lot more of the sweetness and helping with the structure of the water.